Steven Jensen, and I am Stray Cat Knives. The reason behind the name Stray Cat Knives is because I like to keep them dirty, mean, and sharp, just like a stray cat. I got into making knives in 2015 because I wanted to build one for myself. After I started picking up some tools, I just kept going. I had about 3 or 4 grinders in my backyard on a little table, and over the last few years, it kind of turned into this. I originally thought the whole process would maybe take a few hours with some steel and handle material, but I quickly realized there's a lot more steps that go into building a knife. This has been a long road so far, starting my own business, but I love having the freedom to make my own rules and break them. I specialize in mid-size blades for camping, everyday carry use, and self-defense. I also work a lot with brass, making self-defense tools and some leather work. In the future, I plan to keep building up my workshop, my skill set, and to keep producing quality handmade knives. Find me in Phoenix, Arizona at straycatknives.com or at straycatknives on Instagram.